Yesterday she don't come up. She don't say nothing. Right now, she don't want. If she don't want to talk, she don't want to talk. Me don't know. She said yesterday. She said she never did a talk about it because people are bash her. You have to think that this girl is a young girl too, you know. People are bash her, you know, dog. Them a bash him and him make the decision and she a get the worst end of the stick, you know, too, you know. But if I live with her people are, that's why I miss my office. She ain't got like with me. She have to come. No blink tell her to come over there.
We just want to end it right, you know. We want to get the two of them on the
line.
She
have to go live with Blink. CMR come on the line. Ask them if I ask our run.
CMR and Kiss on the live.
Two of who on what live?
No, just tell us if it does come on if I even 15
she
minutes.
She didn't talk about it from yesterday. He said he needs to own up to his own truth. And yesterday she still not disrespect the man. She don't disrespect the man. So if he want to clear up anything which is a lie, him just it's weird at this point. Then I just leave it alone. I don't go about to the blood clot business. I don't have to take people that talk about one of them.
She said she's not
coming on no live. She said that's it. You can't say just for 5 minutes, so everybody can't handle this. She can't handle this shit. Yesterday when she talked, she said she wasn't talking about it anymore after this. She said that. She not come on live, it's not Shani. Yeah, but you can't say leave it alone. You need to answer and say where she's lying. Then if you're gonna say she's lying, then just clear the air.
You see, the thing is, before I touch into what I really want to say, apart from the only reason why I want to add that, I know that where the flaws are, and you know me doing it no more, and then my part of the video said this, it's still gonna be verses. No, yeah.
No, remember, you said there's a two sides to everything, so we want to hear your side.
It's not that right now, but I want to answer the question too, so it doesn't seem unfair that, you know. But I don't want the narrative to be we're back and forth about that. But what I was saying, Momo, is if I do, let's say I point out where I'm saying the lies are, right? And the individual say they're not gonna come back or they're not gonna, it's always gonna be that side. And remember, I messed up. So when I messed up, it doesn't even matter really. I shouldn't even be talking about this side. It's just that some of the lies are so severe. I feel like I need to. But I will say.
So why not clear up those lies and worry about her coming on the live?
For example, I've never got you pregnant. I've never come inside of you. Let's keep it real, all right? I've never met your mom. I've never taken your mom on a date, and I've never paid your mom rent or any form of bills. You understand me? I've never eat your pussy because you know you can't. You know, that shouldn't even be a statement out of your mouth because you know that's a lie. And you can't do that. Because then I got eat front with eat everybody front. And Shani will say me, well, yeah, well, defend it in that say, but she don't have any evidence of that. And all of what I said, there's no evidence, you know. So if you say the evidence is I was pregnant, okay. You know CMR for only November 2021 or December 2021, not 2 years. And we weren't in a relationship where you're saying that I was your man. You could not search my phone. You could not do none of those things. But I don't want to. You see.
So how did video end up in your phone with her doing TikTok?
There's not some truth to it. So I want to keep it where I did fucked up, and I caused all of this. Even tonight, I've caused that, and that's what I'm trying to clear. I don't want to make a past situation current, and that's what we're doing. You understand me? If it is, I would have accepted the current situation from the past. If it is that we could have the females on the live and I ask them the questions because nobody asked the real questions because I'm the one who fucked up. So what I want to say is, Momo, I appreciate the times when you speak honestly. That's one thing I'm ever say I like about everybody, even Benson do it. That nobody justify what I've done, and that's one of the key things. I'm working on myself, guys. Honestly, I might not display a lot of things. You understand?
Benson, there for mute. It's a chip in and out.
I'm working on myself, guys, and one of the key things. That's why I said earlier and before the live end, I've learned some things about myself, and I'm going through a lot of things that nobody knows, and I'm not. using that to justify anything, but I just want to let you know that even though you might see I'm an influencer, or I might do stuff that, you know, motivate you, I do have my, I would, I want to use it, and you know what, the next thing too, like, I don't want to reveal too much,
being in a
but
CMR.
I do have certain form of disabilities that sometimes, like I said, I'm learning, guys. I want to be a better husband, and that's what I'm trying to do. And since the Shani situation, I just want to make sure that we move past it. I'm trying to help my wife heal, because, you know, when you hear that you're supposed to be the king, and the king cause every downfall to your kingdom, that hit hard, and I'm trying to work on that part. I'm trying to get back in the grace of everybody who support me, everybody who loves the family, my wife, my family, my friends, and just every one of you guys who should. No,
Stop saying every one of you guys. Me realistic. Me not live for social media. I understand you're a public figure as a married man, so it's harder for you. It takes a lot of pressure. That's what I said earlier. I'm not going to be non-biased. When me drag you, but pull up the realistic part of it. It's a lot of pressure to play a person that everybody's looking at pictures and it's all smiles of a family man. It's more pressure. I get it. Some people even plot on you and act like they don't know who you are. That's why even you, CMR, as a public figure, coming to my DM, I don't
the
respond to
reason
you
why
privately.
was because you were
Because I know
live,
how
and
this thing go,
I
because
know,
you don't know who to
you know,
trust.
I think, if I believe, quote me if I'm wrong, but I believe you had said, yo, if CMR there join, you know, so I was trying to get on it, but I guess because you were on your live, you wouldn't have seen the message. So that's it, guys. But Momo,
Yeah,
like, my wife used to say to me, you know, many times, she used to say to me, say, sometimes things have to happen, for something happen. And I feel like something is happening, you know, and I've spoken, you know, so many people reach out and share their opinions, and it's scary, some of it's scary, but I just wanna let everybody know, say, yo, I'm trying to be good again, guys. I'm trying to work on my family, and myself key.
So is there anybody else you expect to come out?
I
Because
don't wish to
you know,
speak on that,
are you
but if I
aware of
should be
another
honest, I don't
person
know
says she coming
nobody
out?
else. And anything that's out there, I've spoken. One of the key things I made sure to clear was tell my wife anything. If it's even a one text me did send, or if it's even one, you know, I've cleared it with especially with my wife, because I want to make sure that not even one little, oh, and did send, you know, and did send that text here. All right. Yeah, see them in the tell you, you know. So that's it. But as to answer your question, Momo, no, I don't know of any of that. I don't involve anyway. And the two situation I'm going through, I'm trying to move past it. And I wish to have nothing else, nothing in the past, nothing 100 years ago. It doesn't matter, because I've learned that 100 years ago, when you're current, could be something that happened today, you know. So no, none of that. And
Well, as far as the last female cast, I say me a team cast, if me didn't have to pick somebody, because I see that she still has a respect level, all what's going on. So it's hard for me to call her a liar. It's just hard for me based on her body language, how she's moving, how she was talking, and she's young. But
what I,
that I want to do,
what I,
you got a turn in your ass still. That she keep her run. Last night, Mr. Benson run her off, well, she ran off of the live after Benson started making her talk and expose some things to where I didn't follow it up with her before. But I can see where the girl is kind of delusional and obsessed. I'm hoping that Shani heals and everyone that's using her to cam up is actually helping her to heal. Because my advice to Cass, before I didn't even advise her that, I asked her, do you plan on coming back up here to see her response? And she said, no. I just wanted to get my story out because she put it out. She explained why she put it out. She explained everything. But the big question is, I really would
you
like
know
you
what?
to
I'll
explain is
just
this
do it
extortion
now.
part, and that's it, though.
No, I'll give you a summary, because everybody, you know, let's be real now. Everybody want to know what really happened on my side. So because I come here to speak when the person was on here, and since we don't, and I don't want to, you know, people still have their. Yeah, so, all right. Tell her to
She's
join the
on
line.
here. She's on here. She's communicating with me. She doesn't want to join the live. She said every time. She said every time she respond, CMR, you gotta understand. You put her in a situation where she's a young girl right now. People are attacking her. People, as much people are saying that they support her, there's a lot of people that are attacking her because you have fans. You could be wrong to the fucking ground. Your fans are always going to support certain people. This is a lot for her. And when I spoke to her, I can honestly say one of her main concern is I don't want to say too much that's going to affect the wife. She refrained from saying certain things. The first time when she talked, when them videos were leaked, she didn't know she was being recorded. And then at one point, she thought she was
That
confiding in a
she lied
friend.
again.
She
That
said
was
the
not
second
her
time she...
on that
Oh,
recording
go
with
ahead,
Shani.
yeah?
That was a Nakima, the screw, the person, the button pusher. That was not. That was, you see, that's what I'm saying, Momo. That is why I
The
have to have them
friend.
on the live so I could point these out to you because you believe that, and that's fine. You understand me? Nothing is wrong with that part. And the reason for them to extort me is a lie too. They lie. Let me tell you something. Sorry, could I send the screen? Should I say I make you have the screenshot, Benson, so you post it. Say, I don't know how to put it, but listen. All right. Yeah, I could send it to you. You post it
You can't send it to
tomorrow.
me.
You
I
do
can't
whatever.
share it
But
on the live.
the main reason is, let me play something first before let me get into it. I'm gonna play something because you guys don't know the truth, but this is it.
Right.
Yeah, listen.
This is where you supposed to tell your truth, boo.
Yo.
Hello?
Cassandra.
Yes.
Yeah, what me?
Yes, so
Wait, I'm recording.
I feel like, because I feel like if it's to give me her phone after I give her the money, it could be more safer.
You mean?
Because what if I give her the money and then she just still do it, like still post it? So just to
Oh, no, she can't do that.
How she can't do that? How can you know that?
Oh, me know that.
I feel like it's better to do that, to just ask for her phone, hold her phone until I don't know. Just hold her phone.
So let me ask you a question. Why you feel like if you saying that, then what? Like if she get $20,000, she gonna keep her money. What if she say, you know what, I want more money, or else? So we're talking. So this is Cassandra.
Who y'all
That
talking
she wasn't
about?
a
The
part of
friend?
the leaking of what the exposing. It was her friend who took her phone and showed it to Shani, and Shani screen recorded. So the story they gave you is Cassandra, and that's why she don't show her face, because she know. You understand me? And wait, I want to get these receipts because I don't. You know, where is it? No,
But
no,
she
this.
came
Let me
on the
finish
live and
this.
said that the friend was
I'm gonna
supposed
make her
to
delete the
was
proof though.
talking.
Yeah, she gonna delete the proof, but the thing is, and like I said, for some reason, I just feel like you're in on it.
I'm not in on it, Shane. Like I literally did not know when she and
So basically, y'all said, hold on, pause it for me, please, CMR, because I like to go on the same. So basically, you're saying,
No.
y'all talking about her friend right now.
Nakima told
Shani is the one supposed to get the money.
Cassandra she got to be paid for her to stop provide intel to Shani. So when I heard that, I said to myself, okay, I'm gonna still talk to Cassandra to get the information. And that is so weird. So I'm talking to her now because she told us already that she needed 20K. So I'm talking to Cassandra. Oh, I'm gonna provide the money. When they told you that I come down there for them, they didn't tell you the truth. It was for them expecting to get 20,000. When they said they called me and I said, oh, me now come back home. I could explain that too. That's, you see, like
But she came on the
that
live and she said that was a plan that she had
that is
made because that's
that
the
is why
voicemails you was gonna
this is
make the
she
wife listen
talking.
to.
She doesn't even know that Cassandra planned out all of these. Yes, you understand me? So No,
What do you mean
listen.
Cassandra planned it out?
When
I
I
thought it
learned,
was you said
let me
her
give you
friend
from the
is
jump. When the
planning it
video
out.
post, when Shania posted the video, right? I called her because she called me. We start communicating back recent after we were after the Shani did to start this from after Shani decided to start the videos. I told her, she reached out to me and said, you know, I reached out to Shani. I was like, why would you do that? You don't even know what's going on. You know, I said that to her, and she was like, yeah, I just told her. I said, what did you say? I told her I was gonna expose. I wanted to expose you, but I didn't bother. And that's one of the reasons yeah, she told me that.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying.
she explained that too. She
The
said that word
lies
for
is
word.
not where she's saying, oh, she explained that part, because that part, she wasn't a part of what was going on. No,
CMR,
Momo.
right now you sound more
If you want to
confused
It's
than
two different
she.
you don't
timing.
want to understand, it's fine, because no,
Bro, all I make CMR talk.
Momo, if
You
you don't
keep saying it's two different timing now. Him
the
attack, you
recording
know.
was made on the
When
day.
was that
It
recording made?
was when did she say I come down there? That day the recording was made. Uh, Momo, but you're not.
That's
Let me go through the
what she,
storyline
but
so you
she
can
said
pick
all
up
of
where
that
I'm getting at.
CMR.
You know what? Let me concentrate on this. It's not gonna stop. I just feel like you're in on it.
I'm not in on it, Christian. Like,
All
I
right, let me
really
listen
did
to
not
you.
know when she took my phone and sent it to herself or whatever the fuck she did. I don't know how she took it out.
And
But
why?
I know I gave her my password for my Instagram and for my TikTok.
If she's not your friend, why you don't think she would have crossed you?
Because we was, that's my best friend. Like, we was my best friend. I have trust for her. Like, come on now. My best friend for 9 years.
Your best friend for 9 years, and she's trying to extort me $20,000. No, yo, listen, Momo,
But the friend just come on live and say that,
Momo,
yeah.
make a story run now.
Yeah, the other friend
Like,
said
she just
she
wants
just
the
come on
money.
live
Like,
and say,
I
yeah.
didn't know she was gonna do that. She told her I don't want to do it. I told her I don't want to do it.
So you knew she wanted to do it. So did she tell you that she didn't want to do it, right? And remember
She keeps
also she
saying, and
said
when
that
that she said she didn't
refused.
want to go with the plan.
I'm like, Dad.
Cass, you want
So
me
you knew she
to write
wanted to do
what you're typing me, bro? Cause I don't
I
this.
can't
Or can you just come
No
on
man,
the
just
live
bring her
cast
friend
one
come in,
last time?
Momo.
She really doesn't want to be attacked no more. She's tired. Or you want to call me through my phone and you have
have her
control so you could hang
on the
up when you
live,
want to. No,
Momo.
Benzo's not could just call
Them,
me through this call chat.
Okay, all right.
She don't want to
Before you
be
call,
bad. She don't want people running in on her
I
right now. She's
understand.
tired, bro. She tired, you know. This is a
Momo,
lot, you know. And nobody I worry about her well-being, you know. And to be honest, she didn't come up and talk about it again to the
no, Momo,
CMR.
don't do
So
that
you
and
have
say
to,
that,
it's
because
like, come
when
on,
the
this is
lies were
too
told,
much, bro.
what were you guys saying? And when I'm trying to clear that part of it, no,
But she came up and she
all right,
talked
let me
like
clear
you
this
can
part then,
come up
Momo.
and
Just let me
clear
run this, and
yourself
then she
now
can
then.
come
So
up
she
or
don't
come
have
up
to
or
come
not
up.
come up. All right? Just, yeah, let me run it out. Because I want you to understand where it's all coming from, because you're
Go ahead,
talking
go
from
ahead.
in the middle of the story.
I feel like she just wants the money. Like, I didn't know she was gonna do that. She told her I don't want to do it.
So you knew she wanted to do it.
Like that.
So you knew she wanted to do it.
I just keep questioning me about it. Like, why you never do it? And I was like, no, I'm gonna do that. If I told you, then you can say that. But I
We can't hear Ben, so something
didn't.
blowing. You messing up
Benson,
the
mute
whole of
your
his
audio, brother.
audio.
For my password, for my Instagram, and for my TikTok.
If she's not your friend, why you don't think she would have crossed you?
Because we was, that's my best friend. We was my best friend. I have trust in her. Like, come on now. My best friend for 9 years.
Your best friend for 9 years, and she's trying to extort me $20,000. Oh, I played it back. Sorry, guys. Like she just, let me move it. I feel like money. Like, I didn't know she was gonna do that.
That's fine.
I don't want to do
No,
it.
leave it, leave it.
I don't want to do
so
it.
You knew she wanted to do it.
I'm like that.
So you knew she wanted to do it.
I didn't. She questioned me about it. Like, why you never do it? And I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that to him. If I expose you, then you can say that. But I didn't expose you. I didn't intentionally go out there and put that out there. She did that. If I knew she was gonna do that, I would have been stopped it.
Why is she trying to extort me 20 grand? That's what I'm saying.
We just cool.
You just said she your best friend for 9 years. And if you just cool.
Okay, let me correct myself. She was my best friend for 9 years. That's why I trusted her. That's why I didn't even think that in my head. I didn't question it. But if she was a bitch that I barely knew, I would have been just probably like be more safer about it. But I didn't feel like I had to because Nakima knew. She knew this for so long. Why would I all of a sudden, she wouldn't expose me?
So why all of a sudden now she want to do this?
I do not know. I'm going to ask her though. I'm going to ask her. I already tried, but I'm going to ask her again.
You're going to ask her again. She want 20 grand. She don't care what you think. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
She don't
so she okay with the 10 grand first, right?
It's about the money.
Okay, so she cares. So she wanted 10 grand first.
I couldn't even believe myself when I seen this shit. I private my page.
It's all good, man. Like,
people already calling me a bunch of fucking names, bashing me in my comment. I'm not with the shit, bro.
She only want 20 grand, so we gonna make it happen, right? And she delete all of that shit.
Why even talk to you mention the money?
It finished?
It's a not.
But why you fast forwarding those CMR? What's going on?
Look,
I needed to play steady.
I played that from
it's
the audio right here,
be
and
honest.
then I have another one that I go to. This is Nakima and Cassandra. That one you heard was just me and Cassandra, and she's saying she didn't know that she was gonna try to expose because she told her not to do it, and she went behind her back, took her phone. So now this one would have been Cassandra and Nakima.
Why even talk to you mention the money?
But all right, so are you aware? Are you aware of last night?
Like I ain't gonna lie. She thought I was you at one point. Mm-hmm. So that's what I was just trying to get money. Think about other ways. Hold on, can you hear me? Yeah, I'm listening. So I was trying to make money, like before you even reach out to me. And
so who's these talking now?
You gonna pay me, and I thought about asking for the bread. I texted her and said I cheat, and I'm pretending like I'm building a story. You feel me? So I never went live with her like no other time though. That's old. That's old. That's why I said don't talk to her. Like don't.
That's Nakima saying she went live with her, and she's saying don't talk to her.
She don't have no screenshot, right? No, but no, that's old. Reaching out to the bitch. I'm not. Just stop in community. Just stop looking at. And the bitch gonna, not giving her what she wants. Exactly. She's gonna keep just talking. Like she can come off. She got a screenshot to post, but bitch, you still haven't posted a screenshot. I won't show it and punch her bitch on her throat. She's gonna not play with me. She don't have no screenshot, right? No, but I'm saying nothing but that fucking video. I'm waiting.
So the first time when they were being recorded then, in the dark, it was her friend talking, it wasn't her.
Say my mom what
And I'm like, girl, like, chill out.
Play?
No, that's...
It was not.
So the first video we dropped when them in the dark, I think I cast. At the friend attack. Cause she basically showed her the video them and the recording then, and Cass never knew.
Yeah. So yeah,
so she did attack to Shani the first time.
They knew. Because
yeah, but all if them are extort you, sir, that's the least of your problem, you know. Me just never hope say you did a plan to go with the extortion and take 20K from your wife. That's all we did want to know. But if they was extorting you, CMR at the end of the day, well, I'm going to finish real quick now. At the end of the day, brother, I forgot all that because I'm a young girl and them feel like them used and abused because me see my friend in a one good situation and she not get no type, mama. Sir, but I clock you too.
Momo, hear what?
All right, then.
No, yeah.
No, you can't say me can't promote. Me just to be honest with you. I have to be responsible for our actions. But the only part I wanted to clear up was if you really was gonna show your wife a video of them.
No,
okay, then.
And
so
I'm gonna
then I did a try escort you for the 20K
on the
then.
camera. Sorry guys. Yeah, what minute? Wait a moment, let me talk now.
But our friend just came up here and said that, right?
It's okay because some of the times a female, even if a man, why you feel like some of these females things happen sometimes because okay.
No. We're not gonna play that. We're not gonna do that over here with me because I'm gonna come down, CMR. I'm gonna come down.
No, we're not talking about that.
We're not gonna say it's okay. First of all, you put this person in the situation
because things. No, but you can't. We get that part.
No, but a blood clot escort you to CMR. You can't give me nothing. You're married.
Momo.
All right.
Momo,
So don't go there. So that's
what
on this video.
What me not send out? Wait, no.
It's not about changing the narrative. We having an honest conversation. Everything I asked that little girl CMR, she answered me and her story didn't change. So then her friend just came up here and said, her friend said, yeah, but did I try to get 10 grand all time? Can't now go use me.
So that's what I'm doing, but you keep stopping it.
So I need you just to clear up what you want to clear up. I don't want to seem like we bashing nobody. Because I don't want nobody bashing you right
you're
now
stopping
either.
Make a 10-minute cut.
No, that's not what I'm trying to do. Money. So I'm gonna go ahead and mute and let
this. All right. We're not playing no more audio because what I was trying to establish was that Cassandra said she wanted to do it to expose me because she was motivated by Shani thing, but you all see that she never wanted to. I could post screenshots and other stuff about the camp, but I'm not gonna do that. The part that you said we were planning to show my wife. No, you know the video that I came for also was for you, Cassandra, to tell Shani that it wasn't you who was on. Why Shani played tricky people them with Nakima saying it was you who were on the recording when it wasn't you. That was the video we wanted. You know that. And also when you said I come down there for you and then you leave the hotel and I called you back. You understand me? That was a part of the plan to get what I wanted. Where you said, remember, she said she showed the screenshot where she said I do a Uber. Can I? Okay, if I want to show the screenshot now, how do I do it if I'm on the live?
Yeah.
All right. I'll send it to you. Momo, remind me that Benson remind me. Momo, I'll send that screenshot to you that she posted saying that I sent her an Uber and she's saying she's tired, she's gonna come and I never respond. No, I knew you guys were upset because after the expert to get it after no, I'm telling you, she called saying that
she played a voice note.
To be honest, I wanted to get the phone to remove the evidence. That's the only reason. The videos that she was gonna send.
Remove what evidence?
That she was gonna send to Shani. So I went when I told him that listen, you're not getting a 20,000. I have you guys the cops tell me to get it on recording and a transaction. So you guys are extorted. That's when Cassandra decided to turn because she was saying, oh, so I tried to help. So basically she's saying I used her to get the information out of Nakima. You know, I'm getting to that. I'm getting.
No, she played a voice note of when you called her saying she missed you that night.
Now. The reason why they try to do that setup now is because I sent I could say I'm gonna send you the screenshot Momo, so you could have it, so you can read for yourself, even though you're gonna avoid it. Benson, will send it to you too. The message is there where I said, listen, I have evidence of you guys trying to extort me, and I'm gonna give it to the cops and have it on recording. You understand me? And that's when Cassandra said, okay, Carter, I don't want to say exactly. When you get the screenshot, you said, but basically she said, okay, Carter, I'm going to come and tell my side of the story. And that's when she said, you know what? I'm thinking now. You know what? Them already, them, we're going to team up with Nakim and Shani now and tell the story. That's why when they came out, they were all together. They were all on the same page. And for the phone call now is when I wanted to get the phone. So I was like, damn, I met them if I'm going to get the phone. So, why you never tell me to stay or something like that? You heard the phone call. Then I didn't say anything. I realized that she sent me a text message with a screenshot with the Uber, and I was like, that's weird. And then she sent me a text message. I'm tired. I'm gonna call. Go to work. See you tomorrow. And then you send the next one saying you up. So I knew right there. I was like, so before all the text finished, I boom cut the phone. So I knew right there that was their setup now because she said she was gonna come live. So that was what happened. I was there to get the evidence. So I played into everything, and they know that because I told them I had the evidence that I'm gonna use. You know, that's why the audio they wanna hear is like that. You understand me? The part where would I love you? The part when would I love everybody who interviewer would have asked is, all right, you said you're the receipt queen, you have received for everything, but you know you say I don't know what picture was trying to paint when you say I met your mom and you were pregnant. I don't even care about that, but you were pregnant. You probably was pregnant because you showed, but show the date.
She show a topic pregnancy paperwork.
Right,
Date said January 2021. I
Say that again.
What month was it, Tiaska? You're in here. Shall listen to
date?
everything. So answer right and me read the answer them. Come here.
All right, so
I think them said January 2021.
no
Somebody
that you
said
had conversation with me, or you did tell me that you were
I
pregnant.
don't know.
Because what you told me while you were at the emergency room was never pregnancy. So for you to come and do that, or maybe she was. So
what did she tell you?
Like
she was in the hospital
they're
for?
doing the tear down. And Momo, if I know that you might think, no, not them.
No,
not
CMR, they're children.
Not
Them are
kids,
children.
Not the kids.
18, 19 year little pitney on a fucking sense.
Momo,
Don't say they're doing the tear down. Who's doing the tear down?
Momo, make him talk.
Can't do certain things that trigger me. Me a mother CMR. Certain things. I mean, I listen to you. So don't when him said they're doing the tear down, who doing the tear down?
No.
Yeah, you have to laugh because I hate when you do this too. When you take accountability and make excuses,
that's not what I
weird.
said. All right.
She said October.
I didn't say the females are doing the tear down. You understand me? It's what transpiring now is causing. Remember, y'all say I me tear down my family, you know, which is true. It is true. I me do that. So it may refer to me. I said them do the tear down. I said no. So that's why I'm not trying to stop it before you finish, because I know that you're. I know. Yeah. But I was saying that, listen, those parts about you have access to my phone 24/7, that wasn't true. You understand me? Those parts when he said we go on a date with your mom, you're a receipt queen, you would have had that receipt. Your so-called boyfriend did it with you and you go out with your man, with your mother, right? You'd have to have the receipt because you have a receipt of weed in a car, you know? So those are, I never met your mother and none of those stuff. I never paid your mom rent. I never did none of that. And you know me since 2021 November or December, so it's not 2 years, and I don't. And Momo, remember this. I don't live in Fort Lauderdale, so out of the 12 months,
she said sorry.
Wait,
you want me answer your question? She's answering some of your questions. You want me to read it? No, you're right. You're answering. She writing. She said you said. She said she had pain in her belly in October last year, because October is not this year. So it's not January 2021. So sorry. Me want clear up so me not telling a lie.
So make sure
you ask her a question, you say she up, you gotta ask them, she alright.
Yeah.
Hold on. Cassandra, hold on, can me keep it 100. Hold on. So she right here, so this is her page. She just answer. She said I was feeling pain. That's how I found out I was pregnant. She's writing.
So you didn't know you were pregnant.
She was feeling pain. She didn't know she was pregnant. She had an ectopic pregnancy.
And when did you tell me that you were pregnant? And when did all of this that you said? I said don't dash it. You took the pill, and I tell you don't do none of that. Become one you have the youth and all of that stuff. Remember, there's 12 months in a year, and I'm living in Orlando. How often I'm down there? Because it's not 3 years like you say you know me, we're together. And you know that we weren't together even up until this year, because you recently disclosed saying that, yo, you have your girlfriend and other stuff that I'm not going to say. So it's not about you. Remember, when we start discussing, it wasn't about, you know, it was just more like, yo, do this seminar. When you're going to do this, are you going to do it? And you know, so you don't, paint that picture, say, you got pregnant. You understand me? You don't do that one. And you don't make it, I never met your mom, and I never did none of that. And the recording from the, you never tell the people that I came down to Orlando to get the evidence. You made it seem like I come there to see you, and after you leak the video, I try to link up, but you know that's not the case. I have the screenshots. You understand me?
So, but there was a voice note of a guy. So who voice she using? After the hotel, like when she said, you miss me, and you tell her to come back. Them do that record here, never
ask her, since you're texting her, we want the receipt of the pregnancy date, the receipt, all of those stuff we need that, because I know I never come inside of her, ever. But I understand that once we go there, yeah, I know.
It don't matter. Once you go raw, take one little pre-com.
No.
She don't. No, that's why she said she don't want to go live with her, because it's kind of like you're blaming her in a way too.
I do.
I forgot the girl come on live and take accountability. CMR, you know. She come and protect you, no dog, when they question you, you know.
What I'll do. I'll do an interview on your platform.
You see like how she don't talk about it, then don't talk about it then. She alive then.
I'll do an interview on your platform where you could ask all the questions. I don't want you to think it's not taking accountability, because Momo, the very same lies that were told, y'all use it to say all of this stuff. So it is not about what I did. I'm not defending that. I want you guys to know that. I'm not, but remember, you know, a girl comes and me eat her pussy, you know. But Momo, you wouldn't want that a lie telling your son if you have one. But no, Momo. So let me clear it and do that.
Yeah, but I know she says you eat her pussy. Eh? The other girl, the friend says she eat your pussy, you eat her pussy. If you said the friend was on the first recording, it wasn't Cass saying, and she said then.
Shani did a video live on her TikTok, and it was that when me I talk. We don't want to go there some more. Just don't make it be. Don't paint that picture there right now. Say accountability, Momo. If you want me to do an interview, I will do it. And you ask all the questions and answer. You add people on, but it is not about it is not about the accountability part.
Over this, you know, because you said to be honest with you. Right now, we're not going to know who a liar, who a tell you, because she said she don't want to come back over here with you.
No.
I heard your evidence and your evidence coincide with the story that they... CMR, you want me to play what they said yesterday? She even showed your bank card,
I'm not disputing.
She showed your bank card, bro.
That's what I'm trying to say. But me don't want to go back off. No, me not do that.
Yeah, but it's like you forced me to try to believe something with me keep on and said. I'm just saying the evidence that you played and she played, it really support the storyline, because at the end of the day, you at your part where you got to protect your fucking family now. So that would make sense to me to tell a bitch. Oh no, it would make sense for me to tell a bitch like, yo, I need you to pretend that you this bitch at this point. It makes sense. And her friend just come up here and say, my girl, me didn't want the money, because if them ever use my face and tarnish me, and me didn't try to get money all time. It makes sense to me, CMR. You can't knock me for that.
I'll do the back and forth joining
the
live. Let Momo talk, then I get up, then I come on. I don't want to do this, because I don't want the narrative to be what you're trying to make.
Nah, because I'm going to come off, and you have a blessed night, and big up yourself.
I'm open to any question.
No, because CMR, to be honest, you can't interview with me because I ask real questions. I tell people you might get defended, you might get deflected, you might not gonna feel, because this is my thing though, because I'm not gonna bash you, because we all human beings. I've been the cheater before. That's why today me get beaten for you. They say I'm confused. I'm not confused. I'm a person on the outside looking at 4 different people and parties and watching actions. And I gotta be realistic. I know when I got caught cheating, I had to look and make up my mind like, damn, I really love this nigga, so I start lying. You get what I'm saying? So I get it, but the only thing I'm saying, CMR, the girl no come out and say nothing to the Benzel last night. Benzel said me the girl with you 2 years ago in a brother. And that Benzel.
Momo. Mama,
Benzo, you said I want
Benzo,
video
me
shoot.
get
You meet the
like
girl.
this woman I want.
Remember, say
Me
everything
no
that
want
from
to
a
back.
page of Benzo.
Watch on
I want
All right.
to back up.
No, so that's what I said. So TMR, hear
No,
what?
at the
I
talk,
guess you gotta
everybody
leave it
talk
alone.
same
So
time
you
we
can't
talk
talk to
about.
me
Well, I
about it.
know
So you could talk
we
to
just have
Benzo,
one
but I'm
spend
not the
talk at
right
a time.
person to talk about it. So I'm gonna come down. No, I'm gonna come down. Cause that's why I said, CMR, you not ready to talk to me because I'm gonna ask you real shit. Cause you gotta be fair. If you want to tell the story, tell all of the story. I ask you a question. You can't do partially for save your face. That me I talk about. Yesterday, that's why I'm gonna ask you the first thing I ask CMR. Oh, you said Benzel out here
You
in
know, here
the
when we
wilderness
come
with
for
no
your life,
blood
come
clot
justify
bulletproof
and
vest
talk. That's
on.
what we said. Here what? I want you talk, I want CMR talk. Hold on now. Make CMR
Benzel
talk now,
is
then I want
recorded,
you
bro.
talk
I
after.
played it back again today.
But I want to get Cass on the live. I want to get CMR and Cass.
No, I'm gonna come down. Because he
No, more
keep
on the two of
asking to
them
talk
just,
to her
more
and
on the
she's
two of them
writing as
talk to
he's
each at
talking. She's
live.
answering the questions. And I'm just saying them back out loud. But now she's
Worry
not
about
gonna
it from
fucking do that, Bensu.
so
Y'all
she never
worried
depend
about
on life and
fucking
do all of this.
numbers. She's 80, she's 20,
She never
brother.
depend
The
on
girl
life and do all of
tired.
this.
All right, let me show you something right
Clint,
now in the
she
DM. Hold
never
on.
depend on your life
Let me show
yesterday.
you something right now. Let me show you so why she not
Yeah,
shining.
but more,